All right, taking a look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here to kick off today's trading activity here. Dow Jones is right now holding on to gains by about 0.3%, but we had seen some significant moves, at least in the NASDAQ and the S&P 500. The NASDAQ is now in positive territory. However, you'll see that we dipped into negative territory after beginning the day in the green. Right now, we're flat, just barely to the upside there. S&P 500, that too had dipped into negative territory just a few moments ago. We're back in the green, up by about 0.1%. Want to take a look at some of the other activity that we're seeing. We'll start off with the NASDAQ 100 here, just to get a good look at some of the mega cap tech stocks. You're seeing Microsoft hold on to gains by about 1.5%. There have been some reports emerging over the weekend that there could be some peril around the Activision Blizzard Microsoft tie-up. We'll see if there is any truth to those claims. But as of right now, Microsoft shares perhaps reacting off of that news as well. And then additionally, you've got Google that's in positive territory, up by about 1.2%. Since we mentioned Meta earlier and some of the headcount reduction that is going to come or expected to come after the report from the Wall Street Journal, that's up by about 5% here on the day. The reduction of some expenses likely being factored in to those shares. And then lastly here, let's also take a look. I just want to take a look at some of the crypto names as well here, as we're seeing some declines here for Bitcoin. That's down by about 2.6%. That's lower by about $500 on the day, sitting still at about 20,000. And just to put that in broader perspective here, over the past 5 days, you had seen this nudge up above 21,000 and levitate there for a little bit. But as of right now, you're seeing that back around 20,000. Ethereum down by about 3.25% over the past 5 days. It's up by about 2.7%. So we'll continue to watch that as we move on forward throughout the rest of today's activity.